Here's how you can create a cover design in Canva. So first go to canva.com, create an account and create a design. Then click on custom size and choose 820 by 360 and click now on create design. Now you can see that you have a new project, and now click on design to see some templates. Just click on your favorite template, click on it, and it's added to the right page. Now you can delete the elements you don't want to have on it and drag them to the position you want. Adjust single elements to make your custom banner. We want to delete this picture and choose another one of our office, for example. Slide it in, and now you can see you have the new picture in there. If we want a blue background, go to elements and type in blue texture and drag it onto the page, and now we place background. So we created this banner in 3 minutes. If you like this video, please subscribe, and here is the next Canva tutorial for you.